What's up, y'all? It's your girl QZ, and today we're doing an H&M clothing haul. Y'all should really see my camera setup right now. It's crazy. I'm gonna take a picture. Like, I'm praying it stays up there. For this haul, I actually got 18 items from H&M, which cost about $465 in total. $465 for 18 items. And I got a few other things from some different stores.
Oh, yeah.
One of the first things I got actually wasn't from H&M. It was from Express. It was this cute little skirt. I'll say like knee-length little black skirt. I'll take video picture things on my phone so y'all can see up close, because this is like a really ghetto hood setup right now. Listen, do the most with what you got. I'm doing the most with what I got. So we just gonna have to make it work, y'all. Yeah, got this little skirt. Let me show y'all the next one. God. Nothing that crazy or different. It's just another black skirt but longer. Y'all can see I kind of look like the mom from the Addams Family. That'd be like, she doesn't walk, she floats. But I got a little longer skirt that stops around the shinage of my shins. So now, y'all, I'm gonna go over the shoes first. Okay, so we got the old 1-2 buckle my shoes. You know that meme. If y'all don't know the meme, I'm gonna put it up. Now you'll know.
Bro, come over here, come over here. Check out my new shoes. They're the brand new
1-2, buckle my shoe. 3-4, buckle some more. 5-6, Nike kicks.
Ooh, that is so fire.
But these are nice. Like, I actually like these. Like, they're like classy. So I got these little loafers and they're comfortable. Y'all see I already got my Dr. Shows up in there. I'm ready to go. I also got some other little loafers too. It says Daisy Fuentes. Brown, beige. You see the vibes, you know. Ladies. Yeah, these are really nice. I like these too. And then I also got some Chucks. The first shoes I showed y'all, those were from Nordstrom Rack. Second one, I think it might have been Ross. And then these right here I got from Marshalls. These are not a Chucks, and I thought they were really cool. I love this orange bottom. Neon orange and neon green is like one of my favorite colors, so I love the like graffiti type outside kind of look. And I love the orange interior too. And you know, I just think these are cool. Like, these are some kicks I can wear when I'm tired of like wearing dressy shoes. It's time for the other clothes. Also, when I was at H&M, I saw this little chain. A little simple, you know, a little simple chain. I got that accessory. And I also got these gold and marble-ish clips. Y'all might be able to see better in the close-up. And I plan to wear this with, well, next weekend I'm supposed to be getting locks done. So I'm gonna be doing some claw clip styles with my locks. It's just gonna be so cute, y'all. I can't wait. Also want to let y'all know these clothes were like supposed to be like businessy but also tight casual kind of clothes, because this is for my internship. We're gonna start off with what I call the oatmeal combo. I'm gonna show y'all up close what I mean by oatmeal, because it looks like oatmeal. I have this like linen oatmeal top, very loose and flowy, and then I got on some like beige slacks, and I mean pair these with the brown loafers. Gotta keep the brown in the family. And this is a very loose and flowy outfit. I think I might roll the sleeves up because it's just a lot of like loose clothing things going on. Also, this stuff gonna be ironed. I don't feel like doing it all today, but it's gonna get ironed. Yo, I wish I had like a full body mirror, because like I can't really see. Y'all can't really see me either. Linen oatmeal button up beige slacks, and I'll pair it with those brown loafers. Basically with this next shirt, it's basically like the last shirt, but just like lighter, and it doesn't have those little oatmeal specks. And also I think with this shirt, because of just like the difference or whatever, I need to wear a white t-shirt under this, because you can kind of see whatever I'm wearing underneath. Tank top underneath might be required. Let's call this the plain oatmeal shirt. I don't know, the light skin shirt. I don't mean to bring ethnicity into this, but I'm just calling it the light skin shirt, okay? Bruh. Okay, y'all, so unfortunately we had to relocate because of hood technical errors. Somebody needed to use the bathroom.
the ghetto.
I made a way out of no way. So this is our new location. Anyway, back to the haul. So I also got this white little button-up sweater. It's not nothing too much I can say about this. I guess I can also wear it with the black slacks I also got. But yeah, got a little white button-up sweater. It reminds me of this sweater my mom bought me when I was younger. I love that sweater so much, y'all. I don't know where it went. I obviously got too big for it, but that sweater was fire. But yeah, little white sweater. Plain Jane, simple little outfit. Okay, this right here, y'all, is what I call a white button down, because that's literally what it is, a white button down. This is another thing I can wear with any of my bottoms, any of my skirts, khakis, any of my slacks, any of my skirts. It's not that deep. I just got a whole bunch of mix and matches, you know. What it looks like, a white button up that needs to be ironed. This is another little sweater. This is identical to the same sweater I was wearing before. It's just striped. And a little cute, simple button up I could wear with either my black slacks or these slacks. I can't tell if this is black or blue. No, it's black. Yeah, that's black. But this is in white. This is like a little off-white white. But yeah, not too much I can say about this top. It's just a little striped button up sweater. Here we have another striped shirt. I'm pretty sure this is black now that I'm looking at it in the camera. It looks like black and white. Yeah, I could wear this with beige or black slacks. Not too much to say. It's a button-up striped shirt. I think I'm gonna put on my black slacks though, because I want to see what that combo look like. Okay, y'all, I put on this with black slacks to see what it would look like. It's cool. And I will wear these with the penny loafers. I will wear these with the 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more. I have to get a shot with this thing. I have to get a shot of these with me. I have to get a shot of these. I have to get a shot. I have to get a shot with me. I have to get a... I could do this. I have to get a shot of me with these on. That wasn't that difficult. Because y'all can see, but y'all can't see. I need y'all to see. Here is one of the shirts that I love. It's just so like, I don't know. I just love the silkiness and it's, I don't know, it's real cute to me. It's crazy because before we got any of the clothes, I went online and I came across H&M for these like button-up shirts. And I saw this exact shirt. I was thinking, well, Mom, what if we just get these but in different colors? So I could just wear this at the bottom one day and then wear a different one with the bottom another day. It would have been silk, 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 silk. That was kind of weird, but it's crazy that I actually like was looking at this online. Pretty simple. It's just a white silk button-up, and yeah, need to cuff the sleeves, or is that what you call it, to cuff it? I don't know. Button the sleeves, and yeah, I could wear this with my black slack. Yeah. Now we got some pops of colors. A yellow button-up linen shirt. This could be worn with my black slacks, beige slacks, skirt, other skirt. Here's another pop of color that needs to be ironed. It's a blue button-up shirt. Nothing that deep. It's a nice blue, cool. I got bad news though. I just found this store thing still on my shirt, so we gonna have to go back up there. Other than that, yeah. Last one kind of crazy, but it's cute. When we was in the store, my mom of course grabbed a pink shirt because she, you know, she gotta get pink. Pair it with these like black and white zebra bottoms and this pink shirt, and I think it's cute. I think it's cute. And I could also wear this with the blue shirt and pink cotton linen button down in black and white jeanie pants. I don't know what you would call these. This what it is. Now tell me why I almost forgot this one piece. Just a black button down linen cotton shirt like the other ones. Nothing that crazy or special about this shirt. It's just a black linen button down.
I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say I miss you so, 'cause right now you know nothing here, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground, and she smiled at me and said, I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said, I love you till the day that I die. Maybe she's right.
watching my clothing haul. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like, because that would really help me. If you like the vibe, if you like the energy that you got from this video, then you might as well subscribe, because it's more where that came from. And this was also my first time doing, like, I think a clothing haul, so that was cool. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Ladies on an escalator, it's going upstairs, so see you later. Barbra!